What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from iDrive 360, View 360, home of the Orlando Starflyer, the world's tallest Starflyer. We're going to be doing a little bit of a construction update because there's been some progress. Let's go! One of the first things that I need to show off is over here at the parking lot across from Charlie's Steakhouse. Well, a lot of the parking spots are now in place. It looks very nice. We can see some of the new sidewalk in place and a planter, hopefully some trees or flowers. And it extends down over here where there's still dirt, so a little bit of work left to do. In other news around the Orlando Starflyer, we have the pad now extending out over towards the roadway, and it looks very nice. Even the bus stop here has a little bit of that pretty color surrounding it now. On the pad itself, there's a couple areas where we still do not have some of that decorative rock work, but that's going to be for a planter, I believe. And we can see a couple more just down the way. I'm also pleased to see we have decorative lighting around the area now. The ride vehicle itself is up in the parked position, and it's not going to be doing any sort of testing today, but hopefully soon we'll be seeing some more runs. At the base of the tower, we can see that decorative paneling is just about complete, and then we can also notice the drainage down at the bottom is cleared. A little bit of electrical sticking up from the ground here. I would expect this is going to be for lighting. The buildings are looking pretty good right now, as we can see also the new queue for the Orlando Starflyer here on the left. So eventually this is going to have some covering on it to protect some of the guests from the elements. Now we can see some fence line railing that's going to be installed around the pad. And there it is. A few segments have already been installed. And on the other side of the base, we can see just a little bit of work left to do to wrap this all up. One last look at the pad area. We can see how it's just about complete. Not a whole lot left to do. And then we're going to have the opening, June 1st. A little further away from the main structures, we noticed a couple different things, like the address, tourist info, and tickets, now on the outside. Flooring is now in for most of the buildings, including the bar, Starflyer office, and Wetzel Pretzel. Well guys, that is going to do it for another update here from the world's tallest Starflyer, the Orlando Starflyer, and I'm very pleased to say there's been quite a bit of progress on the buildings and pad, and very soon we're going to have, of course, the official opening on June 1st. They do have a contest going on right now where 12 people will be selected, and they'll be able to bring a friend and be the first riders officially to get on this thing. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.